Now what happens to a wave if we add energy to it? So I've got 3 aluminum rods here, each cut to a different length. And if I take these and just strike the rod against the table, we get that sound. Now if I add energy to this, would the frequency change or the amplitude? Well, the frequency is set by the length of this and where I'm holding it. But the amplitude I can add to it. So if I add more energy to this, it's going to get louder. Again, I'm touching an anode. As soon as I touch an anode, it stops. Well, we had that frequency. This one is a shorter rod, so should its frequency be higher or lower? Well, since it's shorter, it's at a shorter wavelength, that should mean it's got a higher frequency. So if I add more energy to it, again, it gets louder. Doesn't change the frequency, it just gets louder. This one's an even shorter piece. So when I try it, it gets even louder and a higher frequency because it's shorter.